Recently, I did the 30 days bootcamp reality denying with people that were seeking clarity, people who already knew that meditation is the way to go, but never actually took the time to sit down and apply everything. So twice a week for 4 weeks, we actually met together to actually not only learn or understand the scriptures from source, but also to hear how beneficial meditation can be for all of us, for all humanity. And in this video, I want to tell you exactly why I decided to launch the bootcamp, what we actually ended up doing during the bootcamp, what are the results that people had, and how I'm deciding to move forward. I'm going to be honest with you. I decided to launch that bootcamp because I personally know that meditation is the way to go. I read it in so many books from source, watch it in videos from Eli Jackson. If you don't know him, make sure to check him on YouTube. And I've been in and out for the past few months in meditation. But recently, if you're new in this channel, well, recently I participated in a contest where more than 16,000 people applied, and I ended up being second. And when I actually look back at what allowed me to be amongst the winner of that competition, by the way, the competition was about content creation, it was because I was meditating that month, right? And I remember hearing 100 voices telling me more than 100 times, enjoy being a kid, enjoy being a kid, enjoy being a kid. And that's what I did the whole month. I was creating videos in the co-working space in Antwerp in front of people working. I was just not giving an F, right? I was just doing my thing, trying to, creating my content, editing, posting. I was posting six to eight videos per day. And then I got the result that I was second. And do you know what the prize was? Bro, they flew me out to freaking Los Angeles, and I went there to attend live the recording of Diary of a CEO, and I met the man himself, Stephen Bartlett, right? Like, blown away. But then I had to sit down and think again, what actually happened? So when I saw all that, when I saw all the pattern, I was like, let me go back into meditation. Let me go back and actually do it again. So that's why I decided to go back. And because I didn't want to be alone this time, I was like, let me create then a bootcamp for other people to join. So we were 4 in that bootcamp, right? I'm really happy. First, I was like, yeah, only 3. No, we were 4. That's already a lot. I could have 0 people and still do it on my own, right? So they came, and twice a week we met, and I was basically sharing with them knowledge about meditation and how it helped people throughout the centuries, and how it's actually an invitation that Source is giving to us, and that's how they are giving us hints and messages, right? When we meditate. And I'm gonna start posting the videos from bootcamp on this YouTube channel. So if once this video is out, if you do not see, so let's say 5 days after this video is out, if you don't see other videos about the bootcamp, please let me know in the comment section. So what actually happened? Well, people showed up. I was surprised. People showed up ready to listen, ready to take notes, ready to meditate. And in the first call, we actually did meditate at the end. That was really cool. That was really cool. And people started having their awakening during the bootcamp. One of the girls, Valerie, she said, yo, she's been buying books in English and stuff like that. And also doing meditation, before meditation, asking questions to Source and receiving answers later in her sleep. It was, so me, guys, I still believe, when it comes to this life experience that I'm having right now, I still believe that I'm kind of new or a baby in this spiritual space. And what allows me to actually sit here and record those videos is 2 things. Number one is my background. I've been a wedding photographer, and I shot almost 200 weddings in 9 countries. So I am used to, talking on camera, explaining stuff and all that. And the second thing is all the books, spirituality that I started reading. So I know so many things, so many concepts that I'm busy applying myself now, right? But I decided not to wait when I'm too far along the journey to actually start doing YouTube. I was like, I'm going to start doing it now so that in 2 years, in 5 years, in 10 years, I'm going to look back and be like, oh, look back. This is who I was when I started, stuff like that. And it was really cool. People were having so many questions. And I remember, I think it was day number 3 or day number 4, we had like a like I had like a drop the mic moment. You know, when I'm a huge fan of Chris Rock, when he does his stand-up comedy show and then in the end drops the mic with the two fingers like this. Yo, and it happened when I was actually explaining how your environment dictates your life. And I went from environment, awareness, consciousness, life, source God. It was amazing. And I told them, if you have any question, make sure to ask them. If you have any question, make sure. So when I was explaining, you see, at this point, I wish I had an amazing video editor. Because normally I already see this video in my head. I see them posing, boom, and then the video editor coming and cutting and putting that's the part, in here. Was really amazing. They had questions and questions and questions. And then when I reached the end, it was silence. It was silence for like 25 seconds. I was like, it's hitting. They were like, oh. At that moment, I was like, oh, I'm getting it, I'm getting it, I'm getting it, I'm getting it. Because you see, in my mind, I'm already an amazing public speaker. I'm already talking to thousands of people, filling stadiums, right? So completely denying this reality. Do you think it's a coincidence why I called my bootcamp reality denying? No. No, and mind you, in October, the month where I went to Los Angeles with my wife, I went live on my YouTube channel, I think 28 days out of 30s. Check my YouTube channel, you're gonna see. I was going live every day for 20 minutes, for 40 minutes, for 50 minutes, acting as if thousands of people were already around me. And some of those videos are the videos that you guys are seeing in my YouTube shorts. I am just repurposing everything. And by the way, January 19, 2026, I am launching a 5 days YouTube live bootcamp. Because, so I live in Belgium, right? And for one of my clients here, I've been helping them a lot to develop themselves on YouTube. And in doing so, I ended up creating a whole flow for them. And that flow, I started applying it for myself. And now in the past 30 days, I gained more than 100 subscribers on YouTube. That's huge. That's huge. So I was like, okay, so many spiritual teachers actually have amazing knowledge, but don't know where to start. So I want to fast track their journey on YouTube so they can start delivering their message. Because Source is saying, we have too much crap on the internet. Too many people are sharing knowledge that is not true. So now I want to help all those people that have the same intention to bring all the knowledge, all the wisdom, all the text, all the scriptures from source on the internet. And I sincerely believe that YouTube is the way to go. So if you're interested, check the link in the description and make sure to join the bootcamp right now. Okay, so I spoke about what happened, the awakening, awareness, consciousness, the way people were reacting. We even had people that went on holidays but still were meditating, right? Still were meditating, still were joining the call. So for me, I was like, wow, this is amazing. I can do this. I am doing this and I'm going to keep doing this. So if you want to join the next bootcamp, reality denying, you can also check the link in the description and join the wait list, right? Because that one we are doing it once every 2 months. Okay, back to the video now. Guys, so once we reached the end of the podcast, I actually ended up sharing the link for people who actually want to book a session with Source, that which you call God. So if you're not familiar with the process of channeling, basically all humans are channeling. Channeling is just let me find out the perfect words. The quality of the thoughts and ideas that you're receiving depends on how great you're taking care of your fourfold beings: emotional, physical, spiritual, and mental, right? And so you have people that have the ability to channel amazing ideas, but you also have people that have the ability to channel different spirits, because what we can see with our eyes, right, based on the light, it's only 0.0035% of what is actually out there, right? And it's like you can feel the air, but you don't see it. It's still there. So how come something can touch you and you cannot see it? Well, you cannot see it just because of what I said. You see 0.0035%. Now, why am I saying all that? So you have people that have the ability to channel different spirits or angelics, and then you have Elliot that can channel source, that which he call God. So basically, he just blink his eyes, and the second he opens them, there you have it, God, the universe, speaking through him. So if you are also interested into having a conversation with source, it's going to be mind-blowing. Check the link in the description. I'm going to put it for you so you can also have your session. Imagine you can now have a one-on-one conversation with the universe and you ask any question that you want. But be ready, because you might not like what you're going to hear, but it is the truth, and the truth is going to set you free. Moving forward, now it's been, when are we? The challenge ended in, when did it end? In January? No, not in January. I think beginning December. And the only day that I didn't meditate was like 2 days ago. Oh no, it ended on December 30 or 31st, so something like that. So the only day that I didn't meditate ever since the challenge finished was 2 days ago, right? And other than that, always meditating, always, always, always. Recently, it has become a bit difficult in the morning, but when I'm short with the time, I do like 10 minutes, but usually it's 15. But a few days ago, I read in this book, the Sapiential Discourses, Universal Wisdom, Book 2. Highly recommend it to you. You see, here it's written, all there is, was, and ever shall be, through Elliot L.I. Jackson. So God through Elliot L.I. Jackson. And I read recently that the amount of time recommended is half an hour. I loved having the information. At the same time, I'm like, I need to go to bed earlier so I can actually practice the meditation. Because through meditation, and I'm going to close the video with this, you receive downloads, you receive information that usually people need to go to school to know it, to get degrees and understand certain concepts. Through meditation, the universe, God, source, all there is, was, and ever shall be, just put files in your mind, and there you have it. You can just know stuff. That's magic that we used to believe in when we were a kid, and now it's a freaking reality. That's always been. It's just the way society works, all the stuff that has been put in our mind ever since man started believing in the difference between man and God. All those things are still in ourselves, and it's actually making it difficult for us to, go back to the truth, go back to the information sent to us by the oneness. Guys, make sure to check the link in the description if you want to join one of my boot camp, and check one of my videos that is now showing on the screen, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, thank you, thank you for following me. This has been an amazing journey. I love all of you guys. We are now more than 200 here, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.